Hi, my name is Caroline Injoyan. I'm a business development manager at Matrox. We are at ISE 2020 showing a new feature with our Extio 3 IP KVM extender. So what we're showing is multi-system control with our IP KVM extender. You're able to monitor simultaneously multiple computer systems and control them with a single keyboard and mouse set from a remote station over IP. So in our setup, we have multiple computer systems, 2 dual head and 2 single head. The transmitter units are extending all the signals, the audio, video, USB over standard gigabit Ethernet to the remote station where we have our quad output receiver unit. And the receiver unit is powering 4 displays. And on the top 2 displays, we're showing one of the dual head systems, and on the bottom one, we have 2 single head. And as you can see, when you move the mouse across the desktop, and basically when it crosses the edge of the display, you take control of the system. So this is a great feature for control rooms where operators need to monitor information coming from multiple computer systems. So they can now do that with from a single remote workspace using a single set of keyboard and mouse. To find out more, please visit our website, matrox.com. Thank you.